Hey guys, General Mechanic right here. Just making this quick video. I wanted to share with you guys. This is a 2009 Toyota Camry. I'm sorry, I'm in the back and it's at night too. 2009 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder hybrid, and we're swapping the engine on this thing. But I wanted to show you where to disconnect, or the main disconnect for the hybrid battery or hybrid power it's at. So when you pop the trunk, you come in here in the trunk, you see this is the trunk. There's gonna be like a little cut on the carpet or on the cover for the battery, and you see the orange thing. That's the main disconnect for the power that goes to the engine. You can remove that panel right there, and what we're gonna do right here, it's disconnected. We got it's like a little safety thing going on right here. Okay, what you do, pull it up, and pull down. Once you do that, it's gonna come straight out. Demonstrate it again. If I can get it in the hole. Let's see. Well, some kind of way. But anyways, it's right here, guys. You pull up on this little safety thing, and once you pull up, you're gonna be able to lower the handle down and pull straight out. This is the main disconnect on a 2009 Toyota Camry hybrid disconnect. We're doing this job. Hopefully we can do it quick and get it rolling for this guy. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch. If you find it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Main thing, subscribe, as I got more videos coming. Thanks again for taking this time to watch. Have a blessed day.